Noticing rough idle smoke or poor fuel economy in your diesel vehicle? In this video, we review the top 5 diesel injector cleaners on Amazon to see if they really work. First up is the STP Diesel Injector Cleaner, a well-known product that's been around for decades. Packaged in a 20-ounce bottle, this formula is designed to clean dirty fuel injectors, reduce engine knock, and improve overall fuel efficiency. STP uses a blend of detergents to break down deposits in the fuel system, especially helpful for older diesel vehicles. Many Amazon reviewers with high-mileage trucks and cars, including TDI owners, mention smoother throttle response and a noticeable reduction in exhaust smoke after just one tank. It's a solid, budget-friendly option for routine maintenance, particularly if your diesel vehicle hasn't had a cleaning in a while. Next is Hot Shot's Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment, which takes a more comprehensive approach. This 6-in-1 formula not only cleans injectors, but also includes a cetane booster, lubricator, fuel stabilizer, rust inhibitor, and water dispersant. Sold in a 32-ounce bottle, it's designed for daily or regular use, especially for drivers clocking serious mileage. Users frequently report better cold starts, quieter engine operation, and improved throttle response. It's particularly favored by truck owners running Duramax, Powerstroke, or Cummins engines who want to keep their fuel system clean and their injectors functioning at peak performance. The added cetane boost also translates into slight MPG improvements and smoother acceleration under load. Moving on, we have the highly acclaimed LIQUI MOLY Diesel Purge Injection Cleaner. Unlike additives that are mixed into full fuel tanks, this product is best used by running it directly through the fuel system, either by bypassing the tank or running the engine from a canister. It's more of a deep clean solution and is extremely effective at breaking down stubborn carbon deposits inside injectors and combustion chambers. Users frequently say it transforms rough idling engines and reduces smoke emissions significantly. It's been especially popular with European diesel owners and is often used as a one-time treatment rather than ongoing maintenance. If your diesel engine feels bogged down or hesitant, LIQUI MOLY's Diesel Purge might be the aggressive reset your injectors need. Fourth on the list is CRC Diesel Fuel Therapy, another strong contender that balances performance and convenience. This 30-ounce treatment is designed to clean dirty injectors, remove water, and protect against gelling in colder weather. It's particularly popular in regions with harsh winters where diesel fuel can thicken and clog system. With CRC's cleaner, users report easier cold starts, reduced knocking, and better idle stability. It also improves power delivery and seems to make engines feel more responsive. For drivers who need winter protection and injector cleaning in one bottle, CRC offers a reliable, well-priced solution. Finally, we have the STANADYNE Performance Formula Diesel Injector Cleaner, one of the few injector cleaners developed by a fuel injection system manufacturer. STANADYNE is used by OEMs and is trusted by heavy-duty fleets, making it one of the most performance-focused cleaners on the market. It comes in packs of 4 8-ounce bottles and works as a one-tank treatment. Drivers report noticeable differences in idle smoothness, reduced emissions, and better acceleration. It's especially beneficial for diesel engines with long service intervals or those that run under heavy load frequently. With additional lubrication and cetane enhancement, it not only cleans but also helps prevent injector wear over time.